Imagine this. You're sitting at your kitchen table sipping coffee, reviewing some boring printouts from a radio telescope, and suddenly you see proof that we're not alone in the universe. Your heart races. What do? Freeze? Scream? Or just grab a red pen and write one word that will echo through history? Hey friends! Welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into the strangest mysteries of our world and beyond. Today, we're talking about one of the most chilling signals ever picked up from space. A signal that still has scientists scratching their heads almost 50 years later. Have you ever wondered if someone out there is trying to say hello? Let's unpack this incredible story together. I'll add some thoughts along the way because, honestly, this stuff blows my mind every time I revisit it. Back in 1977 in Delaware, Ohio, there was this massive radio telescope called Big Ear. It wasn't some fancy high-tech dish like we have today. It was huge, stationary, and relied on Earth's rotation to scan the skies. Part of Ohio State University's search for extraterrestrial intelligence, it was constantly listening, printing out data on long sheets of paper. Most of it was just static, the endless hum of cosmic noise. Nothing exciting. On August 15th, 1977, around 11:16 p.m., while the station was empty, something extraordinary happened. The telescope picked up a powerful narrowband radio signal. It lasted exactly 72 seconds, precisely the time it took for the telescope's beam to sweep across one point in the sky as Earth turned. Then it was gone. 3 days later, a technician processed the data and handed the printouts to Jerry Ehman, a volunteer astronomer reviewing the logs at his kitchen table. Jerry scanned the columns of numbers and letters that represented signal strength. Normal space noise was low, 1S, 2S, 3S. But then he saw it, 6EQUJ5. The U meant the signal was about 30 times stronger than the background noise. It was incredibly intense, focused, and right near the hydrogen line frequency, 1420 megahertz, the exact spot scientists like Philip Morrison and Giuseppe Cocconi had predicted decades earlier that intelligent beings might use to communicate, because hydrogen is the most common element in the universe. Jerry froze. He circled the sequence in red ink and wrote, "Wow," right next to it. That's how the WOW signal got its name. Imagine being the first person in human history to potentially witness evidence of alien intelligence. What would you feel? Excitement? Fear? Awe? Jerry's simple "wow" says it all. A moment of pure human wonder. Sorry friends, I'll take a second of your time. Please subscribe, put a like, and hit the bell to get notifications for new videos. Thank you. Now let's return to the story. The signal came from the direction of the constellation Sagittarius, but when astronomers pointed their telescopes there later, nothing. No star, no planet, no obvious source. It never repeated. They ruled out satellites, airplanes, military signals, even reflections off space debris. It was clean, artificial-looking, and perfectly timed. Scientists from SETI, Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, were stunned. This matched exactly what we'd expect from an extraterrestrial broadcast. Think about it, if aliens were trying to reach us, why send it only once? Why not repeat it so we could confirm? That's the big frustration with science. We need repeatability. Without it, it's hard to prove anything. This single blip from the depths of space raised more questions than answers. Is someone out there broadcasting a greeting, a warning, or just random noise from a distant civilization going about its business? This brings us straight into Fermi's paradox. In the summer of 1950 at Los Alamos, physicists like Enrico Fermi, Edward Teller, and others were chatting over lunch. Someone mentioned a funny cartoon about aliens stealing trash cans in New York. Fermi looked up and asked, "Where is everybody?" With billions of stars and planets in our galaxy alone, the universe should be teeming with life. Where are the probes, the ships, the radio signals? Why the great silence? The wow? Signal seemed like a possible answer. But then silence again. Over the years, people proposed explanations. In 2017, someone suggested comets, but that was debunked. Comets don't emit like that at the right frequency or timing. Another idea pointed to a sun-like star about 1,800 light-years away, but again, no planets confirmed and no repeat. Even in 2024, new hypotheses popped up with data from other telescopes, but nothing conclusive. Friends, doesn't this make you ponder our place in the cosmos? Are we alone? Or are we just not listening right? Or too primitive to understand the messages? The universe is vast. Maybe civilizations rise and fall before they can connect. Or perhaps advanced ones avoid contact, like we avoid disturbing ants. The video dives deeper into other mysterious signals and our own attempts to reply. We've sent messages too. Remember the Voyager probes? Launched in the late 1970s, Voyager 1 and 2 carried golden records with greetings, sounds of Earth, music, and images. A bottle thrown into the cosmic ocean. Hello from the children of planet Earth. Voyager 1 captured that famous pale blue dot photo, our entire world as a tiny speck in space. Carl Sagan's words on it still give me chills. Every king, every lover, every war, all on that dot. Voyagers are still going, now in interstellar space, sending back eerie sounds of plasma vibrations. They'll outlast us, carrying our voice for hundreds of thousands of years. What if some distant being finds it? Will they understand? Then there's Oumuamua, the first confirmed interstellar object to visit our solar system in 2017. Elongated, cigar-shaped, tumbling, accelerating in weird ways without a comet tail. Harvard astronomer Avi Loeb suggested it might be artificial. Alien tech? It performed a gravity assist around the sun like a spacecraft might. We even sent radio signals to it, no reply. It's racing away now, but ideas like Project Lyra to chase it show our curiosity. Other hypotheses for the silence are wild. The simulation theory? We're in a computer sim without aliens coded in. Or the Berserker hypothesis? Deadly probes wipe out emerging civilizations. Or directed panspermia, aliens seeded life here long ago. Each one makes you question everything. What if the WOW signal was their version of our Voyager record? A one-time hello that we barely caught? Or maybe it's a natural phenomenon we don't yet understand. Either way, it reminds us how small and connected we are. In the end, the WOW signal stands as a beacon of hope and mystery. It shows we're looking, listening, and reaching out. Humanity's story is one of exploration. From cave paintings to radio telescopes to spacecraft sailing beyond the sun. We may never get a clear answer, but the search itself changes us. It makes us better, more humble, more united as one species on that pale blue dot. Perhaps one day we'll decode it fully or send a better message back. Until then, keep looking up. The universe is calling. Are you listening? Thanks for watching, friends. If this story sparked something in you, drop a comment. What do you think the WOW signal really was? Hit subscribe, smash that like button, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Until our next cosmic adventure, stay curious, stay wondering. See you soon on the channel.